John, I gave you guys an assignment to build a personal profile of yourself. So one person just submitted. Okay. Okay. One person just submitted. But the assignment is not supposed to be this advanced the way this person did it because it's an introductory class. Now, we have been able to use John, are you with me?
Yes, sir, I'm with you.
Then pay attention. I keep hearing sounds from your background.
Sorry, sir. Sorry about that.
We have been able to learn how to use headings. We discussed about our
Sorry, sir.
HTML.
I did not see the assignment that you gave.
You did not see
I don't
the
know.
assignment that I gave
Yes.
because you are too busy to read messages in the group. Now, like this, we wanted to learn.
Sorry about that. Maybe I will go back and check the message again.
If you guys don't want to do assignments, it's still okay. Can still work with that. If you don't do the assignments, you make my job faster because it's more like you already know it. So I just marked the assignment on the group. Now, what do we do? We discussed headings. We talked about different types of headings. I've been able to thoroughly establish how to go about lists, the different lists, ordered and unordered lists, and I was able to insert an image. Then I also gave you guys an assignment. So this class is more like a continuation of that class. Now, in this class, we are going to, I'm going to introduce a different types of inputs. How do we go about it? Let me use a new page so that it will be clearer. So I will save this. Let me just say inputs.html for clarity. So, like I taught you, HTML5 will bring out the skeleton. So, we'll write our items within the body so that they can be displayed on the screen. Now, what do I do? Okay, what do I do? We have what we call label. If you want to have an input can have a label. You know what a label is? A label is more like a text that you use to describe an item. So It's not that serious. So when you want to break a line, use B arrow to break that line. So we can have an input called test. So when you have something like this, it's a form, an input called test. You can have a test written inside it. That test is called placeholder. So type in your enter first name, placeholder. So the text that you have inside your input is called placeholder. This placeholder and this type that you see here, they are generally called attributes. Now, there are other things that you can have. For example, a name. This name is what you use to connect your inputs to your back end. So, for first name, that's for first name. Now, I've been able to use an input called test. I want to use another one, input. All I have to do is to change the type. I can call this one date. So there are so many. There is another input called input type email. I can have an email here. Placeholder. Give it a placeholder. Enter your email address. So B arrow is for break. You can have an input called submit. It's an input. You can have an input called reset. So there are different types of inputs. You can do more research on it. Can have an input called time. We have an input called select. So select can have options. Select, then options. Option. So James can be an option. James, John, Ngozi, Sandra. So when you take a look at this place, you have a select with different options on it. That being said, we can also have an input type called password. It can have a placeholder called select. Okay, impute a valid password. No, enter password. Enter password. So let me break this. There are so many other inputs. We have button. In between it, you can say delete. So these are all inputs and buttons. What else do we have? Okay. There are so many. So as time goes on, when you are going to use them, you'll get used to it. Now, after mentioning this, let me see how much time we have. After, how do I collapse this? After mentioning this, the next thing we are supposed to have is for us to build, use columns and tables. So, but then I've been able to show you how to build, how to do different types of inputs. You know what first name is. You know what label is. You know what this is. You know what this is. Now, the next is, I don't know if you can even absorb this because tables are complicated. So I don't know if I should stop the class here. Please turn on your mic. If you understand what I've just taught very well, let me know so that I can do something else or stop here, whichever way you want it.
Okay, like I have something to say, sir.
Okay.
So like me now, the reason why I did not do the assignment, or because one, I've not seen the assignment in the group. I don't know whether it's because they added me late. I don't know. So and another, I don't know whether this is the second class because I'm kind of a little bit confused.
Yes, it's the second class.
Okay, that means I did not attend the first class. That's why.
When did
So I
you
don't know whether
when did you join the sponsored group?
yeah, it was on Sunday. Was it on Sunday? I think on Sunday. And today is Tuesday.
It was on Sunday.
Yes.
Did you make your payment on Sunday?
Yes, I made my payment. No, was it on Sunday? I think it was yesterday. Sorry, it was on Monday. Yeah, I made my payment on Monday. Yeah.
Okay, it was yesterday.
Yes,
Okay,
it
it
was
means
yesterday. Yes.
that is why you don't understand most of the things. Now,
Yes.
if you pay attention to the link I sent to you, there is
Okay.
a YouTube channel there.
YouTube. Okay.
So that YouTube channel is where we keep all the files. Now, there is
Okay.
also a WhatsApp channel
Okay.
where all the files are orderly arranged so that you can decide to click on anyone and it will take you to where you can watch them easily. So if you open the group, you'll see a video that I posted yesterday. If you open that channel, you will see other
Okay.
videos there. Did you see that WhatsApp?
Okay. Yes, I've seen the WhatsApp group and I think I've joined the WhatsApp group.
I don't mean a
Even
group,
and
it's
then
email. There are so many files there.
okay.
Did you see the video that I posted yesterday?
No, I did not see. I did not see the video.
It means you didn't check what's going on in the group.
Maybe I'll go through it, then I'll check.
See, you can't be too busy for learning. You have to check what's happening in the group so that you will know when I post something or not. For example,
That is immediately you send me those the the message about those group. I joined them, and it was only today. Immediately I thought there's something that I don't know. You send me the link, and I accepted the link for me to join the group. So, and all the message that come this morning, was it starting from morning? It was there are some people like that that they were chatting about the coding. I think those ones I think they are almost getting to knowing all they are, I think even JavaScript, they also talk something about JavaScript, CSS. So like me, I was a little bit confused. So that was the reason. So I was like, maybe this one, since I've not yet reached that side, maybe this one doesn't concern me like that.
looks like you are in the free group.
Yes, I'm in the free group, yes.
Okay. So are you also in the sponsored class group?
Yes.
Okay, so I just marked something there. Can you see those fingers there on the WhatsApp group?
Yes, I've seen them. Okay, yes, I've seen them.
So I'm just trying to point you to the channel. So
Okay,
if you,
hello, sir. This one that you marked, if I touch the message have not appeared in my own side. So that is why.
it's not
I
about
don't know
mess.
whether you understand me.
It has
Hello,
not
sir.
appeared on your own side.
Yes, in the WhatsApp group. That
Okay,
means you need
I will
maybe
reshare
once
it on
you
the
need to.
group now. So you check it again.
Yes. Okay, sir.
So I think, do you guys understand how we come about these inputs? Because this is what you use in building your login and registration form. Do you understand these inputs?
Yes, we can understand. I can understand.
Good. So if you understand input, it means I'm going to give you an assignment. You are going to build a login form, but I don't want you to. You are going to build a registration form, but I don't want you to add any styling so that when you come, it will add. Let's see the apple. We'll add the styling while in the class. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
So
So
I'll,
there's one question I want to
yes,
ask,
you
sir.
can ask your question.
This VS Code app, can we get the Android version that we can use on our phone?
There is no Android version for VS Code, but some persons are
Oh,
using a Spike code. I think it's a SPCK or something. SPCK. So it's a compiler for Android phone.
SPCK. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
something like that, yes. Some
Okay,
persons
because
are using A code.
okay. I'm actually asking because most times, because of the light situation here in Nigeria,
Mm.
the laptop, I might not have power on my laptop, so and it cannot work for more than 2 hours or so.
Okay,
So I'm just
okay.
looking at alternative options. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. But you can only use the Android phone for your user interface, your front end. You won't be able to
Oh,
use it during the back end development.
okay, I understand. Before
Yes,
that time, we would have, God would have provided, I would have gotten a better laptop. All right. Thank you.
yes, yes. Is there any other question? If there's no other question, it means you understand everything about input. Now, henceforth, I will start introducing one or two CSS. So I'll start introducing you guys to CSS from tomorrow, because by tomorrow we are going to build a login form. Then your assignment will be to build a registration form. So I think we can stop here for today, and I will need you guys to play around these input types and how to put them up in your screen. Then use them to create that registration form so that by the time I start the CSS tomorrow, you won't be confused. Do you understand? I believe you understand.